Welcome back to another day in the life of a human being living in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Girl. Shut up! Sorry guys, that's my dog. Today I'm going to be installing this wig. I curled this wig like 2 months ago because the curls drop. So today I'll be installing this wig by myself, by yours truly, and then I'll do my makeup. So that is going to be today's video. Before further ado, I'm going to moisturize my face. I don't know if I should moisturize my face first and install my wig and then do my makeup, or install my wig on a dry face, then moisturize my face and then do my makeup. Yeah, I think I'll go for the latter. I'll install my wig first because I need my head to be dry, and then I'll do my skincare, moisturize my face, and then and only then am I going to get my makeup done. So let's get started. Don't look at my hair. Before any step, we first have to prep the hair. So I'm going to be using my mirror. I think I need another mirror here. I won't be using a wig cap for this installation because I don't like using wig caps, or I don't know how to use them. It's taking me hours to do this, like hours. But tired. I want to move on to my makeup. And before I get started on my makeup, let us eat an edible. Ew. What is this? I'm going to eat the edible now because I'm almost done my hair and I want the edible to hit before I get started. Let's try the brownie. So this is the brownie. I think I'm going to do half. If you start hitting before I'm doing my hair, and I can move on to my makeup. So it's time to remove the pins. I hope I curl this hair in the right direction. That's the problem. But as time goes on, I will learn. You know, the trick is to keep going, just to keep doing it, keep trying, and that is what I'm doing. I'm so proud of myself for trying. I'll be getting the curls. I don't think I curled in the right direction, but I'll comb out the curls. Yeah, why is it so stiff? Oh, because I put holding spray. Yeah, I don't want it to be too stiff. I want it to look full. I'll buy some Amazon wigs. I like this. I like it like this. I'll buy some Amazon wigs. Not Amazon, sorry, Shein. Some cheap, very cheap wigs, and I'll use that to practice cutting my lace and every other thing. This wig is too goddamn expensive to be playing some silly games with it, so I won't do that. I like it. I don't know the face framing thing, but with time I'll get it right. I'll just touch here. Look at the install. It's a little rough, but it's not bad. No lifting lace. It's not pulling, it's stuck. Well, man, even the sides. Oh my god. There you go. Slay, mama, slay, queen. I held this shit down. Ooh, clock it, baby, you did that. Purr. Hot comb this down. That's it, guys. I'm done. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to film another video right now doing my makeup high on edibles, so come over to the next video. I'll see you guys there. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Your girl is trying. She's doing her big one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.